Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I am DMO. Some months ago, I dropped a mind-blowing update on a platform where you can trade crypto arbitrage without any bank card. But people that took action are already benefiting from it. So on this video, I'm going to explain more on it regarding to all the functions that you need to know. And also, I'm going to show you how this platform make money to keep the system running. And in addition, I'm going to show you how I made over $1,876 on my level 1 earnings and over $160 on my level 2 earnings, just as you can see. So in total, I'm going to show you how I made over $2,900. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video and stay to the end to find out. But before I proceed, you need to know that content like this take much time and effort to make. So the only sacrifice you are paying is to make sure you like this video and make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So now let's move. Now this platform is an unlimited arbitrage platform that perform arbitrage transaction in minutes, and it is known as Swapnex.io, which you guys might have already known. And this platform does not require much work. All you just have to do is to make sure you register with the link on the video description below, and you can also join their Telegram community to get their updates and know more about this platform by just clicking on this Telegram icon, and automatically it will take you to their chat where you can see that they have over 24,000 active members, you understand. You can also check Trustpilot for reviews, you understand. You can see that on Trustpilot, Swapnex.io have 4.4 rating over 5, you understand. So if you are a new member, you just have to use the link below to register, or you just got to sign in to your dashboard by clicking on the sign in button. Then you just got to input your email address, your password, and also this captcha, and automatically it will take you to your dashboard where it will show all the information you need to know, from your username to your available balance, and also to the platform statistics, and also your recent transaction, just as you can see right now. Now looking at the left section, which is the platform statistics, you can see that over 2,300 members registered in the last 24 hours, and they have over 145,000 registered traders with over $2.8 billion worth of traded volume. And beside the platform statistics, you can see your recent transaction where you can see my order finish, you understand, my traded order, because I have a running trade which I use on the auto trading section. And for you to get more information about your recent transaction, you just got to click on this option that says view all. You click on it, and then you will see all your transaction on this section. Now if you look closely, you will see one of my transactions that says bonus. This means that when you start using this platform to trade, you'll be given monthly bonus, and you can see that my monthly bonus is 0.004 BTC. Now one crucial part is your balance section. You can see your available balance in regarding to all other cryptos. Like you can see mine, BTC is 0.004 BTC, Ethereum 0.006 Ethereum, just like that. And also you can click on this arrow to show other available balances. That is just how it is on your dashboard. Now with that being said, trading on this platform require manual trading and automatic trading, you understand. Now for the manual trading, everything you are doing on this platform is done manually, from choosing the exchanges and also making trades, and you are required to come to this platform on a daily basis, which you can do only once in a day. And for you to perform any transaction on this platform, you need to know that you have to deposit. And for you to make any deposit, you just got to click on this wallet section. You click on it, then automatically it will take you to your wallet section, you understand. Now on your wallet section, you have to deposit either of the cryptocurrency that suits you, you understand. Let me say Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or Doge, even USDT TRC20 and USDT ERC20. So let me say I want to deposit BTC. You just got to click on add balance on your wallet section. You just got to click on add balance, then input the amount, and the minimum you can deposit is 0.001 BTC. So let me say I want to deposit 0.001 BTC. Then you click on top up, and it will take you to this page that says you need to send BTC. If you send another cryptocurrency or use a different network, the fund will be lost, you understand. So you click on I confirm. So you have to copy this address, then send BTC, the equivalent of 0.001 BTC, to this address, you understand. So you just got to click on copy, then automatically it has been copied. Then after that, it will take up to 15 minutes depending on the kind of network before it will reflect here on your Swapnex account. You can also join the Telegram community, which I already talked about, and you can find all the link on the video description below so that you will get a thorough guideline. And remember that the type of crypto you deposited is same type of crypto you use to make any transaction or trade. So for you to trade on the manual trading section, first of all, you need to select the type of crypto you want to use. Let me say you deposited BTC, so you have to click on either BTC from the top. But if you deposit USDT, then you have to click on this USDT tab because you are using USDT to deposit to make trade, you understand? So after selecting the type of crypto you want to use, is to scroll down, then you select your exchanges, you understand? And take note that since you are doing it manually, you have to select the exchange where you want to buy your Bitcoin or either of your cryptocurrency, then select another exchange where you want to sell, you understand? Then after that, you will see your mainnet balance. Because my trade are open, I only have available balance of 0.004 BTC, which is the profit that I've made since the time I placed my last trade, you understand? So after that, you scroll down, then when you scroll down, you just got to click on create order. And before I proceed, make sure that you have liked this video and you have subscribed to this YouTube channel for more informative content like this. And remember, this platform being amazing does not mean that you should not do your further research before using it, because I'm not a financial advisor. Now that is just that for the manual trading section, which you'll be doing all the activity all by yourself. And on the auto trading section, all activity except deposit and withdrawal are done automatically by the system within a given number of days. So for you to make any trade on auto trading, you just got to scroll down, and when you scroll down, you got to select the type of crypto you want to use, either USDT, TRC20 on this your order book. Then after that, you move down, then you put the amount at which you want to trade with, you understand? Then after that, because this section is an auto trading section, so it requires some days for the transaction to be executed. That is why you can see 30 days here, 45 days and 60 days. Now remember that the more trade you make per day determines the more profit you will make. So if you are making one trade per day, that means that at the end of the 30 days, you can get up to like 15% of your capital. Now after selecting the number of days that suits you, you just got to scroll down, then click on this option that says create order, you understand? And remember, for every registered members, we have available exchange of 9, you understand? That means you can only make transaction on 9 available exchanges. But if you want to get more profit daily, which is up to like 5 order per day, you understand, you need to upgrade to a professional plan or a start plan. And with your upgrade, you can be able to make up to 15% per week or even 30% per week. So that will take us to the plan section, which you can see on your dashboard. So you just got to click on it. And on the plan section, you can see that every members are on the free plan, you understand? You can see that it is indefinite, you understand? And on your free plan, you can be able to make only one manual order per day with 9 available exchanges, and also it is done every 24 hours. And for you to get even more profit is for you to upgrade to the cheapest plan, you understand, which is the start. And with the start plan, you can be able to get 2 trades per day, you understand, which trade is executed every 12 hours. So if you want to upgrade, the fee is $200, just as you can see, by just clicking on this upgrade button, then select the exchange at which you want to pay, either in BTC, Litecoin or whatever, you understand? And the professional plan, which is the highest, is 4 trades per day on available exchanges of 31, and each transaction is done every 6 hours, you understand? Now upgrading to this professional plan, you will be assigned a personal manager which will be managing your account, you understand? And this plan costs $1,500. So before you going for this kind of big plans, means that you want to use a capital of like $10,000 to $20,000 to trade, you understand? You can also join the Swapnex Nigerian Telegram community with the link on the video description below. So with that being said, before I show you how to withdraw on this platform, from your dashboard, you just got to click on this option that says referral. And when you click on it, it will take you to this referral section. And just as you can see, I've made over $1,876 from my level 1 referrals. And remember, I only referred 492 partners, you understand? But 38 are active, which means that this money that I made from here are only from these 38 active partners, you understand? So all you just need to do is to make sure you share this your referral link to your friends and loved ones. Since you are using this platform, they too should use it so that when they make trade, you to get from their own commission. So back to your dashboard, if you want to withdraw your profits, you understand, you just got to click on wallet, and on your wallet section you can withdraw from the available balance below, you understand. So for the sake of this video, I'll be withdrawing from Bitcoin, so I just got to click on withdraw, and when you click on it, you will see an option that says enter the payment address, and also the minimum you can withdraw is 0.001 BTC. So let me say I want to withdraw 0.00433 BTC, which is my entire balance. I just got to impute it, then paste my address. Then after that, I just got to click on this option that says withdraw. But before that, take note that they are going to remove 0.00025 BTC, and I will get 0.00408 BTC as my actual money, you understand. So I just got to click on withdraw. Then automatically you can see that my withdrawal request have been sent. That means my withdrawal was successful, so I just got to click on okay. Then automatically you can see that my Bitcoin balance is now 0. And just as you can see, upon checking my email, you can see that the notification has been sent to my account saying that your request for withdrawing 0.00433 BTC have been registered. It will be processed as soon as possible. So that's just how the withdrawal is being made. So now if you want to get a full knowledge on a mobile view regarding to Swapnex, then check that video at the top right corner where you can know how to use this Swapnex.io on a mobile phone. You can also send me your question on Twitter at simply_DMO, where you get quick updates, and as well join my Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. And also use the comment section for your compliments and questions, as this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.